Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would share with you the multiple testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and there are QA trainee jobs also that we are going to share with you. So please watch the video till the end and do hit like, share and subscribe the channel because these all informations we are sharing with you absolutely free of cost. We are not charging anything. So before we start, I would like to update you about the new digital product that we have created, that is with respect to Java coding questions and answers. So many of you are getting stuck in the Java questions. Many of you are unable to write the Java code. So what we have tried is we have consolidated a list of 50 possible questions that you can get in the Java. So many of my subscribers are getting those questions. So I have created a product on that, a document which contains questions as well as the solutions, and in few of the questions wherein it becomes difficult for you to visualize or to understand, we have added the dry run or the logic explanation also, so that you are able to write the code by yourself. So this is Java coding questions and answers from beginner to pro level. You'll get easy, intermediate, medium complexity and high complexity questions also that you can expect in an interview. So I'll be putting this link in the first comment of the video so you can avail this particular product. Second thing is, let me share some of the job opportunities with you. There are many walk-in drives that are going to happen at on this particular weekend, Saturdays and Sundays, 5th and 6th of February, plus 7th February, Sunday also we are going to have walk-in drive. So let us see those details. So first company which is hiring, that is actually this one of the technologies company which is hiring for enthusiastic QA trainees, and they are looking for someone who can work in the shift 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. Stipend would be given. This is a QA trainee job opportunity, US shift, and the location is Pune, Baner. So male candidates are preferred, strong knowledge of testing methodologies, and the walk-in drive details are given 3rd February to 6th of February, Tuesday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So this is the name of the company and the location. Then there's a requirement for QA lead, a remote role, and they are looking for someone who has got experience and expertise in US healthcare to join the team. The key requirements are 8 plus years of experience in QA and test automation, strong understanding of US healthcare domain, expertise in automation frameworks and testing tools, leadership and mentoring experience, experience in agile environments. So here is the email address for the same. Then there is a requirement for QA analyst, and this is a remote job, a remote opportunity. So it's a part time, and pay would be given to you $5 to $10 per hour. So they are looking for the QA who can do some fraud investigation, can do some cheating detection, right? Those kind of things are required here. Then there is a requirement. Okay. Then this is a role for the Selenium automation tester. The desired experience range is 6 to 10 years, and the location of requirement is Kolkata. Date of interview is 7th of February, and the mode is face to face. So this is the Tata Consultancy Services Limited. This is a company, and you have the address details here. Then there is a requirement for automation testing professionals. The location is Pune, Bangalore, Sunday, 8th of February, and the role details are given. They are looking for automation testing Java, and you can share your CV to this email address. And the experience required is 6 to 13 years. Notice period would be 90 days only. Work mode would be hybrid for this. Then there is a requirement for QA expert, QA automation expert. Experience required is 8 plus years. Location is Noida, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately. This is the email address, so you can send your CV to this email with this subject line. Then HCL Technology is seeking experienced test automation leads manager for multiple locations across India. So you can join their team, and they are looking for lead engineer manager experience with 8 to 15 years. Location is Pan India, Noida, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Pune, etc. And these are the skill set required: mobile automation, web automation, database, DevOps. The key responsibilities are also provided. So, as in as a part of this particular team, you would be working on framework designing, strategic and planning, leadership skills, collaboration, certifications should be there, PMP, CSM, SMCP, Agile. Okay. Then UST is hiring for Java automation testers, and they are looking for someone who has got a skill set of Java, Selenium, API, REST assured, experience with 4 to 9 years, location in Trivandrum, and you have to share your updated resume with the subject line, and this is the email address. So you need to check the skills, location, and notice period carefully before sending. So total experience, relevant experience, notice period, current CTC, expected CTC, current location, preferred location, all of these details are required. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and the location is Ahmedabad. And if you're interested, you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for manual tester, 4 plus years, and it's a remote work from home job opportunity. Notice period is immediate joiners or who can serve the notice period. Um, who are serving right now notice period, those people can also join. Okay. So within 30 days of notice period, if you have, so it is good. You can apply for this particular company, right? So you can see they are looking for functional testing, automation testing, JSON validation, API testing, Agile, Jira. Then there's a requirement for manual QA testers, and the requirement is for the junior manual QA, 1 year of experience in manual software testing, middle manual QA, minimum 3 years of experience in manual software testing. It's a remote job, so you can send your CV today at this particular email address, right? So these are all the details for the job opportunities with respect to QA. So we discussed about the trainees opportunities, we discussed about the experience, the remote job opportunities as well. So you can apply for these particular jobs, and let me know if any one of you would like to enroll for this particular product also. So this is a very good product. It has got 50 plus recently asked interview questions and answers on Java. So you can avail this from the laptop, sorry, from the top mate itself, and run this code on the laptop, practice these things. Online Java compiler is there or in your IDE also, so it would work, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.